All right, day 8 here in the RDP Isometric Dynamic Calisthenics Challenge for December. Today what we're doing is we're looking at an isometric and dynamic pairing that's probably one of the best ways to help build up your chest, shoulders, and triceps. So the isometric exercise is the iso chest press. Now you may want to use an iso trainer, but of course lots of people use yoga straps. I've seen people do this with martial arts belts, leather straps, towels, whatever you can find that'll wrap around your back and have your arms at about a 90 to 45 degree angle. So the strap is across your shoulders, shoulders are back and down, and your forearms are in slightly. I don't know if you can quite see this, but I want my forearms to be parallel to one another. They're not winging out like this. This way you can drive the force inwards, which is gonna light up your chest a lot more. So take a deep breath, gently press against the handles, and move. Well, you're not moving, but you just tense up your chest, triceps, and shoulders. We have a total of 15 count or 15 seconds, and then we release. Then we have the dynamic version, which of course is your standard dip. You could do dips, of course, on rings, suspension trainer, solid bars, weighted dips, whatever floats your fancy. So basically we're working for that same inward drive with the forearms during the dips. It's not letting the elbows wing way out, but rather screwing your shoulders, screwing your arms into your shoulders as you come down, pause, and drive upwards. Getting the entire chest activated in a very smooth and controlled motion. Once again, we're going to superset these two exercises. So you have the isometric, holding for 15 seconds, followed pretty close to immediately after with the dip variation of your choice, aiming for 8 to 10 repetitions. If you could do more than that, make it more challenging. If you can't quite get 8, make it a little bit easier with either assistance or maybe even you can use some push-ups if you prefer that instead as your primary pushing exercise. As always, I'd love to hear how you get along with this workout down below in the comments section. Check out these videos for more on the challenges that we've been exploring up to this point for building up the biceps and your back. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.